IQ Remote is the secondary tablet for the IQ Panel 2 that allows you to easily control your security and smart home system from different locations in your home or business. You can touch, swipe, and use your remote the same as your primary panel. The built-in camera captures disarmed photos, and the 7-inch screen turns into a photo frame when not in use. The IQ Remote pairs with the IQ Panel 2 using Wi-Fi, giving you the flexibility to place the secondary tablets as far away as the network strength will allow. The IQ Remote is thin, easily attaching to the wall with the included wall mount, or placed on a table or countertop using the included table stand, meaning you can place it almost anywhere. To install the IQ Remote on the wall, run your wire to the desired location, then install the bracket around the hole using the screws provided. Once the bracket is secure and level, plug the barrel jack from the power supply into the back of the IQ Remote like this. With the barrel jack plugged in, slide the IQ Remote onto the wall mount bracket. Next, plug in your power supply. Now you can power on the device by pressing and holding the button on the side for 3 seconds. If you choose to install the IQ Remote using the included table stand, you won't need to worry about running a wire through your wall. Simply insert the table stand into the tabs and push down until you hear it click into place. If you don't click it into place, the stand won't hold the tablet up, so be sure that these little tabs are secured on the back of the IQ Remote. With the table stand installed, insert the barrel jack into the back of the IQ Remote and then plug in the power supply. Press and hold the button on the side of the tablet for 3 seconds to power it on. To pair the IQ Remote with the IQ Panel, start by turning on the IQ Remote's built-in Wi-Fi radio by touching this button and locating your network on the list. The IQ Remote uses the home or business network to connect to the IQ Panel 2. So in order to operate properly, be sure to connect it to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network as your IQ Panel. There may be some cases where you want to connect the IQ Remote directly to the built-in panel access point. For example, if the home or business doesn't have Wi-Fi, or if the Wi-Fi is not strong enough to reach the location where the IQ Panel will be installed, the built-in panel access point could be a good solution. Swipe down on your settings tray, touch Settings, Advanced Settings, enter your installer code, touch Installation, Devices, then Wi-Fi Devices, touch Access Point, and turn on the Wi-Fi access point. Once activated, you should update the SSID or network name and password to something easy to remember but difficult to guess. With the access point activated, you can connect the IQ Remote to the network with the password that you just created. You'll notice that the remote shows that the network is now connected, but it has not established a connection with the IQ Panel. To initiate this connection, go to your IQ Panel, swipe down on your settings tray, go to Settings, Advanced Settings, type in your installer code, touch Installation, Devices, Wi-Fi Devices, and IQ Remote Devices. Touch Pair on the IQ Panel 2 and the corresponding Pair button on the IQ Remote. These two devices will connect to each other over the network. If the IQ Remote requires a software update, it will download and install automatically. If you're adding more than one IQ Remote to your network, you may want to customize the names to easily identify them. Once it's complete, your IQ Remote will be ready to use. The remote will capture disarmed photos, and when a door or window is open, the remote will speak the names and sound its chimes, the same as the IQ Panel. If you choose to install the IQ Remote in a bedroom, you can choose to activate nighttime mode if you wish to turn off the screen and sounds while you're sleeping. Up to 3 IQ Remotes can be paired with the IQ Panel, and add additional ways to access your system and retain the same experience in your home or business.